Hi, Leo Palmer coming to you right here from Miami Beach, right at my condo in a little vacation, and is still living the life and making my dreams come true. And I want to help you reach your own dreams and your own goals. I want to reach out to you. You probably are not looking at this video because you're probably comparing top tier programs and wonder, do they really work? Can you really make money online? Can this really change your life? Stay tuned. I'm not here to sell you, convince you, but I'm here to give you facts that can in fact change your entire life forever. The next 10 minutes could really impact you in a way that you'll never know what really hit you. God willing, that's exactly what my goal is. Now, some of you are looking into programs such as Business Success Alliance. Some of you are looking into cash gifting, such as a program called Cash Tracking System, and wonder which one is best. How do you choose? Also, you wonder, how do you market these programs? Can people really sign up for $2,000, $3,500, $6,500, $12,000, $22,000? The answer is yes. Also, do you wonder, how do you choose your sponsor? Believe me, your sponsor can make you or break you. So stay tuned. I'm not here to sell you. That's insulting you. I want to give you real facts that can in fact impact your life forever. So let me start by doing a proof video. Many of you have known me for many years to be one of the top earners nationwide, year after year with these programs, and all the ones that I used to mention, I have been part of these programs at one time or another. So I want to give you real information, not just an opinion, but facts that you can really make a decision as to what could really work for you. Again, I'm right here in Miami, beautiful Miami, in my condo, on a vacation, and still making money. So I want to be able to show you how your life could be exactly like mine. And by the way, I'm no better than you are. The difference though is I have an education, I have a master's degree in marketing, humbly saying that. Secondly, I have the 3 pillars that you need to have. You need to have a strong company, a strong mentor, and a strong marketing system. If you have all these 3, you can make this happen for you as well. So again, let me start by doing a proof video. And I have here 2 separate FedEx that I received right here in my condo, right here in Miami Beach, that I want to put right to the camera. And actually I label them as number 1 and number 2, which I want to open right here for you. So let me open the first one, and actually let me put this right to the camera. You can actually see here all the information. You can see right here the date and what this actually was addressed to me here to my condo, okay? So let's open this right here. And by the way, this one is coming to us, apologize, from Brian from Texas. So Brian, welcome to the team, my friend. And here you send me a cashier's check. And let me do one thing here, just for your own privacy. Let me go ahead and cover here your name. Just for privacy, if you will. And let me bring this right here to the camera, okay? This is a cashier's check for $6,500 payable to me, to my company, Solid Future Online Inc., for $6,500, and that's on right here for one single sign up. Okay, now let me put this away here so it doesn't fly away with the wind. And let's go ahead and do the second envelope that I have here for you. Okay, here I have another second FedEx. This is coming to us from Michael. Michael's coming to us from Colorado. So let me go ahead and put this right here to the camera. You can actually see here the date of this envelope. It was addressed to me here to Miami, okay? So let's go ahead and open this envelope right here and see what we have, okay? So here we go. And here you send me an envelope. And inside the envelope, you send me some cash. So let me come here close to the camera to actually count this right here in front of the camera. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. $3,500 on envelope number 2. So here again, together, in one single day on vacation, I just made $10,000. And this is not just simply a once in a lifetime occurrence. It happens week after week after week. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. There's a link below. You can actually do so. Now up here is going to be a little link to what I like to call my proof videos. You can actually see week after week after week videos in which I'm blessed to be able to make $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 in one day, in 1 week. I'm talking about months in which we're making $60,000, $80,000. How will your life change if that were to happen to you? This is real. This could happen to you as well. So let's address, how do you make these programs work? Okay. Some of you are looking into this program. So let's do a quick review. Some of you are looking into a program called Turbo Wealth Solution. By the way, and for the record, I'm not here to put any company down. I want to give you facts so you can really quantify yourself for yourself which program is best for you. This program, Turbo Wealth Solution, has changed its name 3 times in the past 4.5 years. Don't take my word for it, do your own due diligence. Formerly, it was called the Secret Success Machine. Before that, it was called the Million Marketing Systems. Now, guys, if you're in marketing, one thing you want to do is build name recognition. Why would you change your name so many times? And furthermore, and this is what I said with the most respect, it's coming from corporate in a very misleading way. They're claiming to be around for the past 8 years in business. Well, if you change your name and if your website does not make reference to that, you are a brand new company. I'm sorry, I'm not saying that being new is bad, but you have to be straightforward. You need to know this fact, because when you speak to your clients are going to also do their own due diligence, and you want to make sure that you are in the clear and the open. Now, also, this program has very old, outdated products. It is critical that you look into this, because you and I, we are first consumers before we are marketers. There must be value on the products that you and I were representing. So be aware. Also, you have zero support from home office. I'm talking zero, okay? So again, you need to be aware of these facts. That brings me to the next company, which is almost a replica of Turbo Wealth, which is called Business Success Alliance. This company formerly, again, has changed its name 3 or 4 times in the past 3 years, almost 4 years. It was formerly called the Million Marketing Machine, better known as MMM. Now, once again, they claim to be around for so long, but again, when you look at the actual facts, it's not real. So you need to be aware of these facts. The products are very old and outdated, and again, there's just not really something that's really cutting edge. Some of you are looking into cash gifting. Okay, there's a program called Cash Tracking System. If you ask me, either legal, yes they are. Now, if you were doing cash gifting 8 years ago, I would say to you it's an excellent program to market. But today, don't take my word for it. Look it up on Google. Google the word cash gifting. You're gonna find more negative information than you're gonna find positive. Now, the problem is this: it's hard to find a client. It's the honest truth on these programs. Once you find one and they start doing their own due diligence, they're gonna get cold feet because to be a question whether it's legal or it's not. So you're gonna be spending more time convincing people of the legality. Now, this brings me to the next topic. How do you market these programs? Many people are using the old traditional systems such as phone broadcasting, robocalls, email marketing, postcards, pay-per-click. They all work, if you will, but the problem is that it's becoming to be very crowded. It's not having the same results as it used to in the past. I have a one-of-a-kind technology. I spent over $75,000 developing over the years. I'm sorry about that. That could give you some amazing results. It's embarrassing, I'm sorry. If you want to know more about this marketing system, give me a call. I'll go into detail with you. Also, you want to be able to have, to be able to select your sponsor very, very carefully. Your sponsor can make you or break you. I mean that sincerely. So make sure that your sponsors are able to help you do conference calls. It's not going to be, it's not going to charge you to do sales. You want someone who's going to help you get things set up from day one. That makes a big difference. Okay, be selective. Now again, I do apologize about my voice. Something's going on with my voice here, but I'm trying to really finish this video and give you all the information. If you're looking for a way to change your life in a huge way, if you want to be able to generate $10, $20, $30,000 every single month or more while working from home, do me a favor, give me a call, go to the link below, go to my proof videos, look at it for yourself. Let's help you change your life forever, shall we? Again, this is Leo Palmer coming to you from Miami on vacation. All right, may God bless you. Bye for now.